Hey everyone, the given question is from JEE Advanced 2022. It's from Kinematics. Paper 1. It's from Kinematics. So the question goes like this. Okay. List one describes four systems, each with two particles A and B in relative motion as shown in the figures. List 2 gives possible magnitudes of their velocities. At time t is equals to pi by 3 seconds. A and B, so let's go one by one. So 1 is the A and B are moving on horizontal circle of radius 1 meter with uniform angular speed omega equals to 1 radians per second. The initial angular position of A and B at time t equals to 0 or theta equals 0 seconds. We need to calculate. See, after pi by 3 time, it will go like this. It's like this. If you plot them in the Cartesian plane, okay, so this guy which was perpendicular will be moved by pi by 3, okay, will be moved by pi by 3, and this guy which was horizontal will make it to j cap direction, negative I cap direction, it will again move by pi by 3, okay, this is pi by 3, this is pi by 6. And net 30 plus 60, the net angle is equals to pi by 6. Okay, we know that 1 omega r is v, it's 1 meters per second, So what is the difference? What is the difference v1 minus v2? It will be root of 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos pi by 2. Which will be 0. Which is 0. This is 0. The answer is root 2. So S, I believe. First one goes with S. So we have option B and C. Now let's check the second one. Okay. Second one goes like this. Projectiles A and B are fired in the same vertical plane at t equals to 0 and t equals to 0.1 seconds respectively, with the same speed v is equals to 5 pi by root 2 meters per second and at 45 degrees from the horizontal plane. The initial separation between A and B is large enough so they do not collide. Fine. Okay, so let's calculate, let's say this final velocity will be v1, this will be v2. Okay. So v1 j would be equal to uj minus n pi by 3, 10t, t is pi by 3, and uj is what? It's 5 pi by root 2 cos sin 45, which is basically 5 pi by 2 minus 10 pi by 2, and this will come out to be 15 minus 20, so it is minus 5 pi by 6 j cap. Okay, so what we get v1 as, see, the velocity won't change in the x direction, right? Because there is no force acting at this direction. So v1 is basically 5 pi by 2 I cap, 5 pi by root 2 cos 45. Okay, so it will be this minus 5 pi by 6 j cap. Okay, got it. Next we check v2j. Okay, v2j again will be vuj minus gt. Uj is again 5 pi by 2 minus 10 into pi by 3 minus 1 by 10. So this is basically 5 pi by 2 minus 10 pi by 3 plus it is minus 5 by 6 plus 1. That implies v2 is equals to minus 5 pi by 2 I cap plus 1 minus 5 pi by 6 j cap. Now minus here because look at this velocity, the x direction should be in this direction, right? And again v1 minus v2 will come out to be 5 pi I. Okay, this gets cancelled plus j. Okay, so what is mod v1 minus v2? This will be 25 pi square plus. You weren't supposed to solve all this, you know, once you got one velocity, it was completely terms of pi. Okay, you didn't even have to go for V2 because there is just one option which has pi in it. You would have known that the correct answer is option C. Okay, option 3 and 4 are again the same thing. You need to calculate the velocity of both of them and then you need to subtract. That is the approach.